This is Ligpo Island. You will know that it's the pinnacle when you see the big rock sticking out. This would be the wall, and then there would be a rock. If you reach the point of the strongest current, normally big fish come here. But now there isn't a current, so we just swim out around the island, and if we hit the current, we're just gonna be staying there. The dive is gonna last for 40, let's say 40-45 minutes, hopefully. Let's see your air consumption for this dive. We will just be doing our skills, and then we go to the rest of the dive. If the current hits, either way, we're just going to follow it. I have a survival balloon. Orange yung balloon ko. Malamang doon na lang tayo magkikita.